Alright guys, so these right here are the borders for the windows. You get these at Home Depot. Those are what the material's called. Okay, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with this window up here right now. I'm gonna go to the front and show you, but yeah, I'm working on that. So alright, so I'm gonna show you what I'm working on. Okay, so if you see, I already had done this one. And you see what a difference that is right there in the window? You see? Window right there, that's the difference. So yeah, that's what I did all around. My front ones too. And so right now, so what I plan to do, I did the skirting too. Those are cement hardy boards. Get those at Home Depot, Lowe's, whatever. And yeah. You see, I did them in the front over there too. Those in the front. I'm doing these here. You see that one, how it looks like? All around like that square. So what I use instead of the wood, I use this plastic board that they sell Home Depot. Now check this one out. Alright, you see that there? Watch when I put this in the pic, in the video. I was gonna have it all around like that, and like that. So those are the boards. You could use a handsaw for it. It makes no difference. Where are the screws now? Okay, the screws are down there. That's perfect. You know, it gives it a whole different type of look to it. That's what I like about it. These are the screws. Now where's the other thing for the right here? Okay, so I haven't done much. Let's put that there. Find something for a camera. All right. What journey? I don't even know. What did I do with the screws? I threw them here somewhere. Okay, I saw them. I saw them right here. Okay. See, that what happens when you don't have all your things in the right spot. You gotta go looking for it. Oh, they're dirty. Gotta wash them out. Should have done that before. Oh, I was just painting. That way I can see the top. Oh wow, this is dirty too. I had this back there in the shed, behind the pigeon knock for a while. So that's why you see it so dirty. Some caulk in here. Okay. There too. Okay, after I definitely gotta put some caulking after on that. Because here you got this gap here, so I gotta caulk here. Shoot. Just like that. You want it to even up like that down here so it looks nice. The line, straight line like that. Now I'm gonna do a top one too. Old tape from when I finished painting, when I was painting. About time you could tell it's all crispy. So there's a finished product. Trying to make this a little bit shorter so that way it's, you guys might not get so bored of the long videos. Maybe you like these more. We'll see what happens. I'll see how it goes. But yeah, catch you on the next one.